This is Sony A7000, and this is Sony A5000. A7000 is 1099. A5000 is 799, and this one is Sony A3000, 499. Sony A7000 360 spatial sound mapping Dolby Atmos soundbar. This deserves your attention, and when you touch here, then you touch to start listening. This is the go back to them. So this one is Sony A5000. Then you start press to listen music. This is A7000, A3000. This is Sony products here. We got this soundbar. This is Sony S2000 3.1 channel soundbar with Dolby Atmos DTS:X. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. I hope this will help you to make an informed choice about this soundbar. Sony and environment 3.1 channel Dolby Atmos DTS:X, home entertainment, visual surround engine, S-Force, HDMI, eARC, and optical cable connection. Now let's open this up. First of all, to open this up, you need to hold this together. Okay. Nice, beautiful. I like the packaging. You can see the packaging, what it looks like. Setup configuration. Got the image here. Okay. So this is the information pack. Nice HDMI cable included in the packaging. This is the power cable. Remote control. Nice. This is AAA battery. Sony, and this is also part of the power cable. The other end, this is 3-pin for European use. Basically, this is what you see here. Now let's bring this out. So optical cable is not included in the packaging. Beautiful. This is nice packaging. Look at that. Whoa, amazing stuff. So what we have here, this got 5 speakers and inbuilt subwoofer. Okay, so you got speaker here, and also you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 speakers and also subwoofer, inbuilt subwoofer. And see what it looks like. This is a powerful, and it's a bit of wood or formica and also a metal grill in front of it. You see what it looks like. So this is iron metal grill, A2000 3.1 channel soundbar, experience immersive surround sound, vertical X-force, Dolby Atmos DTS, and you can see the on and off, and this is input Bluetooth, decrease and increase the volume. So this is what you have here. This is nice soundbar. Just gonna measure this. So measuring this from this end to this end is 80 centimeter, and from here is 13 centimeter, and this is 80 centimeter. Okay, so this is the cable, HDMI cable. So first of all, we need to plug this on. Okay, and take this end, push it inside. Okay, and the next thing to do is move this around off from here. Yeah. Okay, so in the back here, so you have the power cable goes here. Okay, to the power cable goes to the left, and this is the USB for service, USB port for service, and optical cable and HDMI port this end. Okay, so we just need to plug the power cable. Okay, push it inside and this in. Now this is the remote control. Push it down. This is beautiful. So take the negative end and the positive to that end. Okay, just push it on. Plug this on the socket. Okay, and this is the remote control. Switch it on. You can see the light here. Once you switch it on, then you wait for the light to show here. It will show you please wait. Okay, so it's showing us please wait here. So when you switch this on, you need to wait until it's ready. Okay, so at the moment just telling us please wait. So select the input. Okay, from the input you see it's showing us TV. So this is BT. So use the input. Once you switch this on, you need to wait when it's ready, and then you use the input to select the particular mode you want. Now it's in Bluetooth, and this pairing, when you select Bluetooth, it will show you pairing. So now what we need to do is we need to connect this to available Bluetooth device. I want to connect this using my mobile phone for us to test the audio. So from the mobile phone, you need to make sure you switch the Bluetooth on from the mobile phone. So go to your Bluetooth settings or your phone settings. Okay, so go to the connection, switch the Bluetooth on. So the Bluetooth is switched on. Now what we need to do is we need to look for this device. This is Sony A2000. We are looking for Sony A2000. Here we go. So it's ready, it's available. Select on it, and it's pairing. pair with A2000, select pair, and it's connected. It show you my name and it will show you the telephone. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to go to Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Open it up. I go to sign in. Okay, so this is Epidemic Sound. So depending on the particular music you want, so I'm going to go to save music, and here we go. This is beautiful. Now, so you can control the volume from here. Increase the volume. This is the sound field, and also increase the bass and decrease the bass from here. Bass. You can also select night mode and voice. This soundbar is nice. Got 5 speakers. Audio power is 250 watts. Dolby Atmos, DTX, Visual X, adaptive and optimized audio. Built-in subwoofer, HDMI and optical connection. Dolby Atmos. This soundbar deserves your attention. Sony A2000 Soundbar capture the magic of cinema, Dolby Atmos and Visual X. Create a 3D soundscape, putting you smack dab in the middle of action. This soundbar deserves your attention. Just as good as playing music too. You can stream music via Bluetooth just like we did. Setup is a simple, but Sony Home Entertainment Connect app is also handy. Effortless control with Sony Bravia TV. Soundbar position, play music you love.
let it show my feelings. Are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I'm hooked on you. Sweeter than summer, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it
beautiful, nice, powerful machine. So this is night mode off. Thank you very much, guys. This is nice and awesome soundbar. Thank you. Beautiful.